Okay, this is a video from Wild Bees, unbelievable giant beehive harvested on the world's tallest tree. Not a job that I want to do. So sometimes you gotta be thankful that America is taking their resources and bringing it back here so you don't have to do this. Shout out to all the Gen Xers. Shout out to all the tarot card girls. You keep taking those undying souls. It's paying off for you, I guess. So let's get into this right fast. Goodness gracious. Wait a minute. Beekeeping in America is, Jesus Christ, is that how privileged we are as Americans? This dude is wearing regular clothes. I would wear this to go take the trash out, man. You know, regular pants, regular socks. What kind of sneakers are those? Are those Pro Kids? You finna climb up a tree wearing Pro Kids? Bro, what is... Hold on. Where's OSHA? He don't got no harness? He just... Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bro, that's what I thought. He's hammering the nails into the side of the tree and climbing up them. We don't need stairs. I'ma just... make them as we go. Man, America is... Goodness gracious. So to any of you who are afraid of heights, here we go. For any of you who get stung by bees and you start breaking out, here you go. For any of you who are afraid of brown people, here you go. Me, I think I got a fear of jungles. Where's the tiger gonna jump out at? That's what I'm looking at. Because the bees are the least of your worries. Okay, I don't know that we need the dramatic music. I mean, this is dramatic that you climbing a telephone pole with a hammer and nails and no harness. Oh gosh, one false move, it is over with. And the bees is, can the bees get up? Look, he leaving. He like, I'm finna go. I hope he finna go get some bee repellent, getting on his motorcycle and leaving him. He's smart. Okay, I hope he stops the music because I don't, it's annoying. Let me see. See, this is the thing. This is not the one I was watching with Gypsy. I'm actually kind of nervous. We was watching another one. I imagine he didn't slip and fall because who's shooting the video? Where the camera at? Somebody had to edit this damn thing. I don't remember. See, we was watching something like this. Because Gypsy is into stuff like this. You know, she Asian. So she like, yeah, let's watch this. I'm looking at her like, go give me a bowl of kimchi. Why don't you go do that right fast? I'll find what we watching on TV. But as I was watching it, I was like, golly, I wonder if my audience is interested in seeing this. Are they going to be like, what is he doing now? God, I'm so tired of him. Oh, snap. Yo, did you see that view? Look as he turned and look. Not a house for miles. No ambulance. Don't fall, bro. It's over with. them bees is going to tear that ass up. They trying right now as we speak. Bro, I don't really need the Sherlock Holmes music. Like he looking for a clue and he just found it. Let's, come on now. Watch out, bees. Watch out. Get out the way. Damn. Poncho came back. Poncho! Come on, bro. It's you coming up here next. Oh, scary ass. I'll tell you one thing about men. Boy, we is going to try to do and go where we need to go to get what we want. Because I could imagine me as a man going up this tree to get a date with a chick. I ain't saying I climbed a tree to get a date with a girl, but I'm saying, fellas, if she was up a tree, would you climb it? Leave it in the comments. If you say, yeah, I would have to, I'd at least climb the tree to see if she, you know, what you think Rapunzel was? Yo, Rapunzel, let down your golden weave. Okay, and she let it down. He climbed. Today, I ain't climbing up no girl weave. I'll be like, you better come down here, you bald-headed bitch. We'll figure it out when you get to the ground. Leave in the comments and tell me how high you think he up. He's up pretty high. I kind of want to see him fall. Is that bad? I just to see for the entertainment value. If he lived and he fell, then we could have jokes. But if he died, it's like, ooh, America. See, you could just give them a bottle of honey. You don't want to do it though? Assholes. Yo, for the guys out here, this is incredible. He's stepping on the nails. First of all, how light is this dude that you can pull yourself up by the nail and then stand on the nail? Goodness gracious. Well, let's thank America for that, for taking all of the food. All he got is rice and leaves to eat. So that, you know, that keeps you in shape. I'm saying though, why is the honey so far up in the what, man? I swear to God, man. Are our American bees just lazy? I've never seen a beehive way high up in what? Yeah, I think our American bees are lazy. They're like, you know what? This is good right here. Not high enough, bro. Relax. Just start putting a nest together. We good. That's what I'm trying to say. Yo. Somebody who is in the comments who know what he's saying, leave it in the comments, because I think he's saying, God damn, finally, shit, it's gonna be a good haul this time. Right there, it's like he's saying, put the goddamn camera away, man. God. Climbing the tree is the first part. Not getting stung by the bees is probably the first or second part. Then you gotta do more trimming and pruning of the branches. Man, you kind of gotta have an appreciation for America and how it takes everybody else's resources. Because we would have to do this if America didn't steal stuff from these other countries. And I'm not condoning that, audience member. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, don't blame me, because it ain't us. It's them other folks that's doing it.
Cái vết lại nhiều á.
Lại quấn đau chỉ không cần. Đây lại đi mới được tí.
Nó trong ngủ bổ sung nó là. Nè. Bố cởi coi nha nha nè. Không có số qua là đây. Cái số mỏ này.
Wow. Đấy có số là rồi. Đấy, cầu tí đấy, có con tí đấy. Số là rồi. Hồ ở đây cả.
Đó, sang số này. Wow. Không không thiếu hả? Dạ, tao lô.
Bad day at work. You do that with the knife, stick it into the branch, and your knife falls. I wonder if you got a backup knife just in case stuff like it's American stuff. We be half-ass doing stuff, tripping, falling. So I don't know.
Cái gì đồng ấy à? Tôi mình có biết đây có thể lịch xuống à? Dạ. Dạ. Luôn nào đi đẻ á? Nó lù mới khởi xính ra này, tao còn trồng các lù được á.
Tao đi trồng là đi được dài cho nè.
Cái tỉa.
Right quick. I just want to say to the Karens watching this, no bees were harmed in the filming of this. And if they were, why do you care so much? Don't you got a man? Go get a release or something like that. Go get a little cup of hot cocoa. And shut up, please.
Đừng lo tới đông sơ đâu. Cái kia bạn á. Cái kia bạn. Xuống nó xuống bảo xuống tầng nhớ này là mất tiêu. Rồi tàu phong ra rồi mà xuống giáo mà bố lo bố đích lo nó. Cái hà luôn, nó nằm ở lấy cái chó luôn. Đó là mà tiêu giống nhất.
Bro, this dude got on regular gloves that you would use to wash your dishes. Are they Mitch Max at that? Goodness gracious, what's going on?
Nó cho nó đi mù.
Nó hầu của biết cho chiêu.
Cái đó có bố thấy được á.
Yeah, now getting down is the easy part. Just fall. Are those bowling shoes? He climbed the tree with bowling shoes on? He is a savage.
Cái dây bật thổ mới thấy tôi chỉ mà. Cái này.
Cái cho tôi lắm cho.
Cái cho mồm mà. Tạm muộn này rồi.
I'm saying they're not even wearing specialized equipment. They just wearing just clothes. This is Tuesday. Think I might climb a tree, get some honey, because we can't go to the store. America took all our resources, so I gotta climb up a tree, brave the heights of a tree, falling off the tree. I gotta balance. I gotta brave the bees stinging me through my socks. You know, another day in wherever it is that we live at. Thanks a lot, capitalism. Leave it in the comments. Am I just a fat ass, or did you also want to see him lick the honey off the knife like Indiana Jones? Is that just me? Well, you tell me in the comments.
Cảnh nhân đang nhớ hư con mà phải. Ở đây, nhìn nhận này. Rồi cả top 40 lọ rồi. Em mua xong thì được.
Whoa, so that's the end of the video, but golly, look at this person right here. I hope that's just AI picture. I hope that they wasn't really going through that. Well, that's a job I'm not doing. So all my passport bros, you think you moving overseas until you see this and you like, well, you know, Oakland is not that bad. I mean, goddamn. Thank you to my channel members. We said thank you. Ha! To my channel members. No diddy when I say member. Thank you. To my channel members. Fuck you if you're not a member. Nah, I'm just kidding. But seriously, join. Thank you.